Right, for this episode we're going to head into the end portal and see what we can do. I've already duplicated all 4 of my turtles in creative mode so that I can demonstrate how the dragon does take them from you if you're not careful. So I'll now go back into survival mode and we can enter the portal. I'll just show you what I've taken with me. Supplies, I've got obviously my turtles. I might take a bit more cobblestone, that's always useful. Ladders, fencing, bit of food, water for sure, storage. So yeah, let's just take a bit more. I've also got plenty of wood there, so let's just take a bit more cobble and we should be ready. Okay, wish me luck. Right, so usual story, we're on a lump of obsidian and somewhere over there is the dragon. Now ideally you would want to use the turtle to create a bridge across here. We'll give it a try and just see whether it survives. Dragon in the background, so we want a canal bridge. Let's do that. So we want let's do a continuous path. Okay, and we'll put some cobble in there. Yep, ready. Let's go. So we might be lucky if the dragon hasn't seen us, but as soon as it sees us it will just snatch the turtle. Now you can see how this could be used once the dragon is dead to create paths to all the other end worlds. It should stop any second. Yep, there we go. So I think we'll create a staircase to get up with. Let's rescue this one. Okay, so yeah, Endermen all over the place, of course. So we'll continue to look at the ground. Okay, so I'm going to go into peaceful mode because I do not like this challenge. Right, so what we've got to do, of course, is to destroy the feeding crystals on top of each of these. I did bring some arrows with me. So let's try the first one. Right, now with some of them you've got no choice but to climb up, so it's time to get my ladders out. And we'll see if we can get up. there's only one left, which is this one. So I think I can now show you what happens if you try to use a turtle to destroy this one, which would be an ideal situation. So we will put it in the middle, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks. Oh, that's bedrock, so we can't destroy that. So okay. Anyway, let's see if we can get the turtle to at least create an internal tower. So we'll put number 5 down. And let's go forward 3, dig. So if we can make it go up. Let's turn it round. Right, so it's now created this tunnel, so let's turn it back again. And then forward 2. So now we should theoretically, if I go back to here, we should now be able to make it dig right to the top. Not sure how far that's going to be. Guessing around 30 blocks. So let's do go up. Let's make it 40 just to be safe again, and then down 40 so that it breaks the or creates a tunnel. Right, let's see what happens. See if it can get up the top and pop out the top there. As we're in creative, we can watch. If we're lucky, it'll come out somewhere just in front of this bedrock block. I can hear it. Okay, that was a good guess. Now, the last time I tried to do this, the dragon kept destroying the turtles. That was on 1.8.9 with the original Computercraft. It's just possible that this one has got some kind of built-in resistance. I don't know. But okay, so what we'll do, we'll go back into survival mode. Take the turtle back, and of course we've now got a nice supply of obsidian, and we'll put the rest of these ladders up. Not sure if that's going to be enough. I'll just go and go back inside the one that we've burrowed into. Right, there we go. Right, so that's all of the crystals destroyed. Right, so I don't want to return just yet, so should have another portal somewhere around here. There it is. Right, so it's now safe to get the turtles out, even though they didn't this time seem to destroy. Oh, that's handy. It's right over where I was before, so we can now use the turtle to build a ladder up to that one. Right, so we're going to use the turtle to create a ladder up to the portal there. So if we place that down and we use the Toolkit mining, and we're going to ladder up, brackets to the surface. Obviously we're not going to the surface, but we're still going up. On the ground, ladder that starts at this level, current level, let me just do that. We're at 49. Up to level. Now I'm kind of guessing that's around 25-30 blocks, but I'm deliberately only going to do, say, 10 so that I can show you how this thing works. So we put in 49, let's put 59. Is it in the open air? No. 0, yes. 1, yes. The reason it's asking for that is that if it's in the open there and we want to continuously cover ourselves in blocks, then that will allow for that. So it wants just 10 ladders in there. It's 9, 10, okay, and then it wants 65 cobblestone to cover round us. Okay, that should be going now. So what this will do now is to build a column up for 10 blocks, and then on this side and this side it will make like a protective layer. Not necessary perhaps, but for safety. At the moment it won't use end stone. I haven't included that in the programming. It will use netherrack, dirt, cobblestone, diorite, andesite and granite if it's put in there, but it won't currently use end stone, but I can adjust that, and I should probably do that very shortly. So it's built up 10 up, and it's now placing the ladders in place as it comes down. Just stand out the way to be on the safe side. And it should, when it gets here, stop filling it round, drop down to the floor by placing 2 more ladders on there. Yep, that's done. Okay, so what we'll do next is to break this and take it upstairs to extend that ladder. Now we're in normal mode today, so what we'll do is we'll go up and stand on this ledge and place the turtle there. We want to bring it back 1. So it's now programmed on the ladder building thing that if it spots that there's a ladder already underneath it, it knows this is an extension and it will continue down. I just want to get out of its way, so I'm going to dig down to the next stage. So we want Toolkit again, 1 mining, 3 ladder up to the surface. Current level doesn't really matter, but I'm going to give it 15, an additional 15. So if we put it at, say, let's put it at 50, and we want to go up to 65, which would be 15, it'll then ask if it's in the open air. Yes, it is, so that's a 1. And then it wants the 15 ladders in place, so that's 13, 15, and then it'll want some cobble to build round with. That's it. So it will now repeat what it did before, but this time, as you can see, it started straight away by putting cobble round the side of the ladder. It didn't do as it did before and go up to as if it was on the surface, so that it's already recognized that this is an extension because there was a ladder immediately below it. So I'll just pause and cut back when that has started to come down again. Okay, so it's gone up to the 15 extra levels that we asked it for, and it's now coming back down again placing ladders as it goes. So we'll wait till it stops. If it takes too long, I'll edit this bit out. There we go, that's all done. We right click on it, it's all finished. Let's take that back, and then we can break the turtle. So let's go up and examine this portal. Okay, so we've got a couple of safe areas we can stand on here. Now, as you know, these portals are only 1 block high, so what you're supposed to do is throw an ender pearl in, which drags you in. But I don't like that idea, so I want to just show you something which is the next project we shall build on this at this level. I'm just going back into creative mode. Now if I come round here and get some supplies ready, so we're going to add a block here and here, here and here, and 2 powered rails. And then we put a minecart on there and a button on there. Now if I right click, I'm now sitting in the minecart. I'll go back into survival mode, and as I hit the button here, we're going to be sent through into the portal. I will take some damage from hitting this block, but it will take us through. There we go. So we came through that one, and we're now on a different island here. I'm not quite sure what's below me. Let me just shift. Yeah, okay. This is one that I did earlier, so this is like the return one. There's the minecart that fell off before. So I actually ended up, when the first time I did this, on the ground inside the minecart, so I was perfectly safe, and the amount of damage I took from going through was quite minimal. So I've put this one back on to show you how it works. So if I plonk this one back and then stand in, I'm not sure where I'm going to end up, so I might well die here, but we'll see. Okay, right, we are back. Yep, that's the dragon bit. So yeah, we're quite safe. I feel a bit that this is not the safest area that we could be in, but it's kind of working. So what I want to do next is to improve the area around this portal. so that we can use the minecart to get in and out quite safely. So that's what we'll be doing with the turtle next. I'll design a little program to build. I may even have enough stuff already in there just to build a little ring of stuff around it.